Hi, Anirudh.
Hi,
Yeah, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yeah,
Yeah, Anirudh, can you introduce about yourself and about your native?
sure. My name is Anirudh Ramesh. I'm from Bangalore. I completed my graduation in Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology in the year 2022. After my graduation, I wanted to get to know more practical knowledge about construction and civil related subject, and I got to know CMTI through my college WhatsApp group. So I followed up details from there, and I joined this institute.
Yeah, that's nice. Like, which course you have adopted in CMTI? What you have learned?
I took up this course called CACM, that is Certificate Course on Advanced Construction Management. Natarajan sir, he guided me very well in these courses for the 3 months. We had a lot of site visits as well. Example like in Victoria Hospital, Asian Paints, then RMC plant, etc. Uh, all this were very helpful for my current job right now.
Okay, I think you have visited more site visits, right? Went for site visits.
Yeah.
Yeah, like how was your software sessions? What you have learned in softwares?
My software sessions, I learned more about SketchUp, which is an interior design software. Then I learned AutoCAD and MS Projects. And these are the softwares which I learned in CMTI.
Yeah, that's nice. Like, how was the software trainer support towards you? How they guided you out?
Yes, the software trainers, they guided me very well. We could interact with them, and they guided us really well in one-on-one perspective. And they were really helpful. They provided us with a lot of assignments, and we also we could clarify our doubts then and there itself. Yeah, these were the ways they helped us.
Yeah, okay. Like, how was CMT app helped you? Like, what are the benefits of app?
So in CMTI app, I could look into new courses like Revit, Primavera, and other quantity surveying courses. And those courses I could be accessible at any time, and we can rewatch those videos again and again if we are not thorough through the topics. These are the ways these apps help me.
Okay, that's nice. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
So I feel like after graduation, this 2-3 months course is a must-do course because this will actually help you in getting a lot of practical knowledge once you enter the field of civil engineering. So I would highly recommend this to everyone who has graduated civil engineering.
Yeah, thank you for your feedback. That's nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a bright future. Thank you.
Thank you so much.